Good afternoon. My name is Michelle Keith, and the capstone I intend to pursue is regarding a problem I'm facing in my current employer, Oasis International. We are a publishing company that focuses mostly on Africa. The problem we are facing is that studies show that by 2060, 6 of the top 10 Christian countries will be in Africa. Oasis must determine where that need will be so that we can be a leader in Christian textual material for the growth of our organization. I intend to obtain statistical data from the countries in Africa that we currently serve and countries we intend to serve. This data will be demographics and economic data. I will also obtain data from online booksellers and Christian publishers in Africa. I will acquire this data from data scraping, API integration, and some additional surveys. I expect that I will need to check for missing data, duplicate records, and check the data types to ensure they are correct. If there is any missing data, I will need to fill in the data with the mean or median for numerical data and some other data if it is not numerical. Duplicates may also be removed using a program. I will also cross-reference and ensure consistency between columns. For my model planning, I plan to use linear regression for this project. Categorical values will need to be encoded into numerical values. Seasonality will also need to be considered when creating the time-based features. I will also separate the data into training and testing to evaluate how well the model generalizes the new data. I also may need to normalize some of the data. When building this model, I will be watching for overfitting and underfitting as the model performs and address that if either shows up in the training and/or test data. My visualization communication will be an executive summary that will be prepared with an overview of the project, the goal, and the results. I will produce interactive dashboards to communicate the results. I will also express the model's limitations and prepare a final summary of the project and potential next steps for the organization based on the results. Lastly, the deployment maintenance. I will plan to share the model via web-based dashboards such as Power BI. The organization or user can input then new variables and see real-time predictions and visualizations based on that input. Thank you for your time.